subject. Okay, I mean plantain chips. Plantain chips. Not my water bottle. Technically, this used to be something to hold for honey, and then I used it as a water bottle.
Greetings, Be Amazing Girls. So today you're teaching us how to make plantain chips.
Now how to use my water bottle. Plantain chips.
Seriously, Be Amazing Girl Kaya. Let's go to our lab, which is the kitchen, where we make delicious and nutritious, yummy food.
Water.
So, can you tell us how you make plantain chips?
The plantains have to be sliced small to make plantain chips.
The amazing girl Nia said that the plantain chips must be sliced.
Plantains. They're not plantain chips yet.
Oh yes, that the plantain must be sliced very small, very thin. So this is one plantain. So we use one single plantain. We wash the skin with dishwashing soap, and then we shook it up. And then we cut both ends of the plantains, and then we slide it off and peeled it off the skin. That is a protective layer for this fruit, and it's a fruit because it has seeds. And after that, we slice it into tiny, tiny little mini cute slices. And now the amazing girl Kaya is gonna put on the stove.
Yeah.
Good, very good. And we have it on low. And we're going to add the dairy-free butter. And we're going to get cooking.
Magical butter.
So now we have to allow the butter to, hey, where's the butter going?
It's ice skating. No,
Is
butter
it spreading
skating.
the love?
It's butter skating, not
Butter
ice skating.
skating.
Oh, it made a heart, it made a heart, it made a heart. A butter trail. No, don't rip your heart up.
Okay, so we wait for the butter to melt.
1,000 hours later. It's fast.
Nice.
You're blaming me.
Okay, the butter has now melted. Now we will add the plantains. We're going to add the entire, all of the plantains that we have here on the plate will be transported or moved or added.
I didn't say that.
The amazing girl Kaya. How did a princess sound such like a monster? No.
How could
Why? How could you?
I'm supposed to
So
sound
the
like
amazing girl Kaya is adding the plantains to the pot, and all we have in the pot is dairy-free melted butter.
And
We
plantains.
have it on low, as you can see, low flame.
But didn't you put it on high?
It's low.
You put it on high to melt the butter quicker for the
Yes.
video.
Yes.
That's facts. But rates don't get down like that. You mean the butter bitch? Okay, yes, you don't see the whole time. I have a backbone. It's in the back. Can you see?
Yes, yes, yes. Okay, good. Okay, so now we are going to let it cook. So now we have to let it cook. We are going to mix it a little bit.
The best part is eating them.
And you have to be patient for them to be cooked. And how will you know when they're cooked? You have to make sure that they are what color on both sides. They must be golden on both sides. You will know your plantain chips are done when they're golden on both sides. Not one side.
That's why you're in internet plantain chips.
On both sides. And we will wait. For now, we got 0 plantain chips.
Mommy.
Because you're cooking.
Yeah. I think I'm gonna take this.
Okay, be amazing girl, Nia. Let it cook.
Okay.
Let's wait until it turns golden.
Mommy.
I see one is turning golden. Okay, so we decided to take out half of that one plantain that we chopped off and cook half so it could cook better on both sides. So we could get more of a crunchier texture when it has space to cook well.
Plantains are made out of love.
Yes, so this is half and this is the other half.
How do you know what ones are fried one and the ones
Okay, now you had something to say, the amazing girl Kaya?
Yes, a little bit of facts about plantains. Well, if you cut them,
We are
your
better
hands
together.
would get black because it has something that'll make your hands black.
Okay.
Kind of like black stripe. But they both have love.
Okay, so now they're beginning to look golden.
Hold on.
We flipped them over. So you gotta continue to check on your food. And we actually are cooking it on in between medium and low. So low would take a long time and medium would be too much. So in between medium and low is good to cook the plantain chips, because you don't want to burn it and you don't want to put it on too low because it will take forever.
If you put it on low,
So,
you'll be cooking the plantain chips until you're an elder.
yes. Let me see the plantain chip you got in your hand. Hold it up.
Oh, I bended it.
It's okay. Let me see.
Plantain chip, I want to eat it.
Go ahead. Try it.
Oh, me. Not me.
How is it?
Good. Delicious. What do you think?
What you said?
What do you think?
That is not a fashion statement. It's food. Okay?
It is not a fashion statement, Kaya.
How is it? Honest opinion of your own cooking.
It's amazing.
Seriously. We don't need to see inside your nose.
Everybody. It needs a little black salt.
Okay. Well, I added pink salt. Next time we'll do the black salt.
Man.
It gives it a little bit of an egg flavor without any eggs.
You know? It's right here.
It's vegan.
And egg.
So, yes, we're taking a
And the
break.
periodic table.
Periodic table.
Elements.
Can somebody give me an element from the periodic table without looking at it? Don't look at it. Don't. I'm going to stand in front of me. N-E. Where's N-E? Nice.
And N-A is over here. H-E.
N-A. And we're using N-A. That's what?
Look.
Na is sodium, and we find that in salt.
Look. Our last name. H-E. H-E-N-R-Y.
Okay, so you're made up of out of the naturally occurring elements of the
These
periodic
are
table.
man-made elements right
These
here
are
on the
elements
bottom.
that are found in nature and that you have within
Not all
yourself. The
elements are
naturally
from
occurring
nature.
elements
Pew.
of the
Pew.
periodic table.
Pew.
Not the man-made ones.
Punch it.
Okay, so let's check on your plantains. They're gonna burn if you don't keep checking on them. Okay, so shake it up a bit.
Crispy. I want to eat one again.
No, you gotta let it cool down. We gotta take it out of the pan and we gotta let it cool down for a few minutes.
Would it be crazy
Then
if
we're
we
gonna
add
add some salt.
Would it be crazy if we add a square to plantain chips? Wonk wonk. Weird. Plantain chips. Man, look.
The amazing girl Nia and Kaya are still busy being little chefs at the kitchen. And we have our veggie patties that are ready. So we cooked our veggie patty. Oh, the plantain chips are whistling. Why are they whistling?
They exploded.
They're sizzling. They're communicating.
They exploded.
And they're almost done.
They just exploded.
Okay, be amazing girl Kaya and be amazing girl Nia.
I have nothing to do right now.
Yes, you do. Just wait your turn. So be amazing girl Nia added some salt, and we added I would say a third of a vegetable bouillon, a vegan vegetable bouillon.
A square.
Yes, aka vegan square. So we added a third of a vegetable bouillon and some salt, and obviously we've been cooking it in butter. We mixing it in, and we're going to let it cool down for about 9 minutes, and it's ready to serve. Be amazing girls, did you have fun making the plantain chips?
Yeah,
Let's see the final product. Show it before you eat the product. Go ahead, show it. Show it before you eat the plantain chips. Okay, so what is your honest opinion?
It's amazing.
Okay, did you have fun?
It's so
Okay,
good.
was it difficult to make?
Not really.
With teamwork makes the dream work. It was
Somebody
easier
have
to
plantains
make.
yet?
It still work. You still have to be patient. You
Somebody
still
have
have to
plantains
keep checking on your food. And it took about, I would say 30, yeah, like about 36 minutes.
This is how we eat it.
I think they know how to eat plantains.
No, they
Okay,
don't.
so it was simple. All right, everyone. Have a happy day. Be amazing.
And taste your plantain chips.
Let it cool down.